Yeah, let's start with the recording. So basically, we're just going to touch back on what we discussed on the previous sessions and also on the previous videos which I posted on YouTube. I did mention that on gold, I'm basically using SMC and SNR. So obviously, if ever you've ever studied SMC, you do the stop hunt, then you have to wait for a break of structure. But this is a monthly time frame. You're not gonna wait for so many months for it to just break the structure for you to confirm that it's bearish. That's where SMC comes in. Once you see a stop hunt like that, you focus on 2 candles here. Let me just quickly show you on this other, and this was supposed to be a private video, but I'm just gonna show you guys. It's not a big deal. So basically what you want to see, let me do this. Basically what you want to see, right, is the market at this, around this area, creating, hold on. You want to see the market after the stop hunt right here. After the stop hunt, you have to pay attention to 2 candles here. Buy and then sell. This is basically what you need to pay attention to, right? And there are some of the rules. I don't think they're on this picture, but I'm just going to show you. So when you have this buy and then a sell, when you go to a lower time frame or one time frame lower than where you saw this candle form, right? Remember, you are looking for the setup on a higher time frame, right? You're looking for the stop hunt on a higher time frame. Higher time frame is not only the monthly. Higher time frame is not only the daily, weekly, or 4-hour. Higher time frame depends on where your setup is going to form, where your stop hunt is going to form. If your stop hunt is forming on the 4-hour, your 4-hour is your higher time frame. But there are chances that you may not be able to wait for a 4-hour breakout, because the breakout is going to happen maybe way too low, and then you're gonna wait too long. So you just pay attention to these 4-hour candles or these 2 weekly candles, and then go to one time frame below the time frame where you saw the setup. We saw the setup here on the weekly, right? This is our higher time frame. This is the candles that we want to see after the stop hunt. Buy and then a sell, right? This candle has to close bearish. So this is basically what we're seeing here. Are we on the same page? Before I move on, are we on the same page, guys? I need you guys to interact with me so that I can be able to.
Yeah. We're with you.
Yes.
What about everyone else? I saw Liam and I saw Solid responding. So what about everyone else? Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page, guys?
Yeah, we're on the same page, sir.
Awesome. These other guys are sleeping. So anyway, so remember, this is where we saw our setup, right? On the weekly stop hunt, then this is the area that we're focusing on right here. Where's that eclipse to? Is it in here? Oh, cycle, not eclipse. This area, this is where we'll be focusing on after the stop hunt, right? You can see buy, sell, right? Where did which time frame was our higher time frame? Remember, our higher time frame is where we saw the setup, right? It's the weekly. Not really sure why. It's the weekly time frame, right? Fine. Come on, man. Why is it doing it like this, man? I want to pop up that thing. So weekly time frame here, right? Weekly, then our lower time frame is going to be the daily. This is where we want to see a breakout, right? Is this clear? This is when you go to the daily, you most of the time you're going to see something like this when you're coming from the weekly. If you were on the monthly and you saw the setup after stop hunt, when you go to the weekly, you were possibly going to see something like this. If you were on a daily, when you saw the setup after stop hunt, when you went to the 4-hour, you were possibly going to see something like this. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? I tried to make it like this so that you guys can be able to see properly. So I tried to make it like that. So I'll just try and finish up with recording the video and editing, and then I think maybe I might post it on YouTube as well. I'm not really sure. So I'll just see. So let's go back to the charts right now. Let's go back to the charts so that we don't end up missing out on the trade if ever we get a chance to be in the trade. So stop hunt, then we got this buy and then sell. So daily time frame, just use the line chart. It's going to be a lot more clear for you. Daily time frame is this thing right here, is this portion of the move right here, right? Tell me what you don't see. This is a lower time frame than the weekly. Remember, this is the daily right now, right? We saw the setup on the weekly. Then when we went to the daily, aren't you seeing the same thing, bro? Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Like, is it not the same thing? Is it not the same thing? You got your breakout. Is it not the same thing? You guys let me know so that we can continue. Is it not the same thing? Waiting for you guys to respond.
Looks similar.
Remember, with your breakouts, right? Don't focus on like specific swing lows, right? Because these wicks sometimes are not really important. You have to focus on the open and then the closes. This is where the bulk of the liquidity is, right? That's why I'm saying just use the line chart, right? Because you can see here. Let me just try and bring the image to this side. Let me save it. How can I bring this here, man? Copy. Where's that? How to post link? How do I post the link here? I forgot. Is it somewhere in here? Image. How do I post my charts here, man? Like I want to post it via link, or is it only that one where it uses Twitter? I think it had. Oh man, don't you guys know how to add that? I want to add a link, man. Idea. Is it idea? Yeah. Then what happens? What happens now? I don't even know. Never mind. Let me just save this here. Okay. I'll just do this and bring it back to, and just load it on this thing, on my trading view. I think it's much more easy this way. Image. Yeah. Should be in by now. So, okay. The only reason why I'm bringing it up here is for you to see that these things are similar. So let's go back to the weekly and use the candles here, right? So so this is the weekly time frame, right? This is the weekly time frame. And let me just try and lock it here. This is the weekly time frame right here, as you can see, and it's your higher time frame, right? This is your higher time frame. This is what you want to see after you create a stop hunt, right? You want to see price forming something like this, right? And this is what we see here, right? A buy and then a sell. Do you see it now? Was it Solid who... Can you see it now, bro?
Yeah, but I'm also seeing that the bearish candle doesn't seem to be engulfing the bullish candle.
Like it's not really important at the moment because hold on, I'll tell you why. Because I think it's on another slide. Welcome, Getson. How you doing, bro?
Good, my man. Can you try first to open our Wanda and try to see if it's engulfed there?
Wanda.
Yeah, because sometimes forex.com and these other things they don't engulf. Try first to see.
Okay, hold on. Which one was it? Which one? Oh, I think we were talking about this one, right?
Yeah, that one there. No, it didn't engulf.
Yeah. But for me, like personally, I'm gonna explain why it's not truly that important. As long as you know what you're looking for when you go to the lower time frame, right?
Yeah, that is the most important thing.
Yeah. So let's see. I want to adjust it back to how it was. Yeah, I think it was just like that. So basically, this is what you want to see, right? On your higher time frame. This is the weekly. You want to see price printing out these two candles alone after taking out the stop. You don't want it to break and close above here and then sell off and close here. That won't be valid. For me personally, it won't be valid. Then when you go to your lower time frame, right? I want to remove these blue lines. When you go to your lower time frame, remember, this is how you're going to look at your lower time frames. Your higher time frame is the time frame where you saw the stop hunt, right? And where these two candles formed. This is the weekly right here. This is the weekly. So what's your lower time frame? Your lower time frame is going to be the daily, where you're going to look for this setup. This setup is the only one that's going to confirm whether you are going to assume bearishness in the market, right? Not that you're going to be bearish. You're going to assume that the market is going to be bearish because you can never truly be 100% correct in the market. So, yeah. So when we go to the daily, you have to see something similar to this one because it's a lower time frame than the weekly. It's one time frame lower than the weekly. It's the daily, right? If this was this move happened on the daily, we were going to go to the 4 hour and look for the setup, right? So let's go to the daily. So on the daily, this is where you're going to utilize your line chart, right? This is where you're going to utilize your line chart. Let me zoom in. I'm trying to find a way to place this properly. That's where you're going to use a line chart. So we saw this move on the weekly. Then now we're on the daily. What do we want to see? We want to see price creating a high, a low, higher high, and then breaking this low within the 2 weekly candles, right? So let me do this. Oh, this is the picture, but it was some tools here. So in here, you want to tell me that there isn't anything similar, bro? Right here. You want to tell me that there isn't anything similar? This is how you confirm, regardless of engulfing or not. This is how you confirm that you're slightly going to be bearish, right? Or you're entering a bearish market condition. So you can see here, we have this high, we have this high, we have this low, we have this low. And then we created a higher high, we created a higher high. We broke the structure. Even you can see small retracement, whatever, bro. And then you're going to wait for this pullback in order for you to sell into, right? But obviously, you're not going to be using the line chart for entry. You're going to go back to your candlesticks. This is just for you to be able to just see it immediately without having to look at the candlesticks, the wicks, and asking yourself, which one is the low? Which one is the swing low that you should use to confirm a break of structure? So now you just go back to your candlestick chart, mark up your resistance areas right here, right? Then daily reject daily. And then we have another new daily resistance, buy, sell, and then you can either choose to enter here with a 30 pip stop. Let me do this. So it's totally up to you. Depends on how you want to enter the market, bro. But most of these things, this is how I basically use SMC with SNR, right? So I really hope this is clear for you guys to understand. But regardless, I'm gonna post a video on YouTube. So if there's anything you don't understand, feel free to ask me right now. If there's anything you don't understand, because I want to touch on the potential buy that I'm assuming that we may have on gold. But remember, the buy is only going to be short term. I'm looking for a bit of continuation lower. So do you guys have any questions? You guys have any questions?
No, I think
I don't think I have.
Was there anyone else who wanted to speak? I think I had two guys speaking here. I think
I
you're
said
good. Yeah. How you doing, bro? Oh, your audio is a bit off. I don't know why. Is it network maybe?
possibly like
Oh, no worries, man. So what I'm going to do right now, let me remove this. I'm going to share. Obviously, yesterday, I missed that sell, man. Like, I still can't get over it, bro. I still can't get over it. Like, I had everything analyzed. I wanted to sell here, bro. Like, I wanted to sell here. But when we go to the 4 hour, when we get to the 4 hour, obviously we have this 4 hour SNR. Then on the 1 hour, it aligns properly with this open close right here, right? Sell. Then price comes back there. After we created the stop hunt. If you want to understand what led to the setup, just go back and watch some of my videos. I did post them. Some of them are 3 minutes, so they're not really long, so shouldn't take too much of your time. So that's basically where I should have entered, bro. But I wanted my entry here. But that's one of the things that happens in the market, bro. So yeah, let's see. What do we expect to see on gold? So gold right now, what I saw, right? What I saw was that initially we had this open close right here. I think we even tapped this one right here, right? So a bit of bullishness was still forming, right? A bit of bullishness, because you can see area of support here. But overall, like on the high time frame, I'm still looking for a bit of bearishness, depending on whether we close below this low, right? If we don't close below this low, then we might see a push higher. So we had this open close, then we continued high. We came back for this open close, we continued higher. Right now we tapped into this area of resistance, which is just a roadblock, right? Then we traded lower. So this is an area of support, right? Keep this in mind. We're not really too bearish until we confirm. So on the daily, we now have this area right here. Why am I marking out this area? Because this is a sell, right? Obviously, this area is an area of resistance, but we broke above this area of resistance. We came back towards it, and we even came back towards the weekly support, right? So personally, this is how I'm interpreting what I'm seeing, right? Weekly SNR plus daily Let's see. Open, close, resistance becomes support, right?
Bro, I'm gonna send you a screenshot in your box. You're gonna see I took those ends. Even on a H4 again. Sorry,
Yes.
H4 and H1.
You can send them as a link then. I'll just pop them up on the screen if you don't mind.
It's on what do you call? It's on. Okay, let me put my computer on.
Yeah, no problem, bro.
I'm using on the phone, but you can check on the phone.
I think we're seeing the same thing.
We need to have a Zoom session. Let me have a good internet. Maybe when I'm in South Africa, we're gonna have a good a Zoom. I'll show you something.
Are you back? Are you back?
I'm in Congo, man. I'm in Congo. I come to steal gold first.
This guy. Let me see how far you are, bro.
Yeah, we might come next week. I'll be there.
Oh, Congo is actually close to Rwanda. And then
yeah,
Uganda.
Congo, we are close to Rwanda. It's 2 hours to South Africa, man.
Oh, that's not far, bro.
Yeah.
Wait. I've never really been 2 hours to South Africa.
Yeah, when you take a flight, it's 2 hours.
Oh, I thought maybe you meant driving. I was surprised.
No,
like, how?
man, driving is not Zimbabwe, man.
Probably 60 hours. 60 or 50, bro. Maybe 2 days.
If you're driving, is 24 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Okay, but that's what I'm seeing, bro. Like on gold, I think this is what could play out, bro. And then, what we're gonna do? We're gonna monitor how price behaves here because it's a sell set, right? We might respond a little bit around this area. Let me see. How can I open this up here? Let me first save it and then try and open it on. Yeah, let me try and open it now. I'll post it on the screen. Also, you're actually in the trade right now, right? Where's that? Yeah, I think it's this image right here. Are you guys able to see it, or I think you won't be able
we can see.
Yeah, the picture that I posted.
Yeah, the picture, then you remove it again.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is where you
also another picture. I've sent you also another picture. One entry, I took it last night, and this one, I take it in the morning. But I sent another picture where I explain how I was expecting where to take the end.
Okay, let me check it right now and post it here. How is it not? Let me save it first. We're actually seeing the same thing, bro. But with me, I did not enter it, bro. You're stealing gold. Let's see, where is that? I want to pop it up here. I'm only seeing one image, but I'm just gonna post this one. Let me see. Okay, they're both here.
You can see how I predicted all those stuff. Then it just happened like the way I wanted. Then I took the end.
This is awesome. So this is actually on the daily, right? This one right here.
Yeah.
This is the daily, right?
Yeah, that is the daily level.
Okay. Yeah, I'm actually like with me as well. I'm also concerned about this open close here. This one.
Yeah,
This one on the daily, bro, looks a bit different. Or is it me?
This is a wonder.
Wonder. Okay. That's why. So let's see. So with me yesterday, this is what happened, man. Like last night, this is the setup which I had. I think I posted it on. Okay, let me check it quickly. I'll post it here. Where's that? This is the setup which I had right here, and I'll show you why I wanted to buy from here because I saw that it went into that weekly. Was it weekly or daily area of support? Let me check. Weekly and daily, right? So when I went to the 1 hour, I saw a breakout because on the 4 hour, I think I saw something here. Let's see. So on the 4-hour for me, I also added this reason that we created this buy and then sell. This was supposed to be an area of resistance. We broke above it and then it turns into a support. So 4-hour support, then on the 1 hour. So it's 4-hour reject 4-hour, right? Then on the 1 hour, I wanted to see a breakout. So a breakout happened here. And then when I use the candlesticks here, when I zoom in and check the areas of support, I think maybe my issue right now is just over refining. You can see we had this area of support here after the breakout.
Bro, remove the SMC mindset.
Yeah.
Your SMC mindset is down. Me also, I try. I try by all means to remove it because I was feeling like I'm failing a lot because of that.
Yeah, like over refining gets me to miss most trades, bro. And even if I entered here, it wouldn't have been a big deal.
Yeah.
It's just that maybe I saw it a bit late. It was around, what time was it when I posted this? Around 2 a.m. Around 2 a.m. Around 2 a.m. Maybe if I had marked it up like that, then it would have been better. So, yeah. For now, I'm only monitoring this daily open close. And for one reason, this area right here, right? So I'm gonna attempt to see what happens here, but we have so we'll just see, guys. We'll just see what happens. But I'm hoping that we can get a bit of a retracement and then a buy, but it's probably not gonna happen now. I'm just gonna keep monitoring these areas. These areas right here. This one I'm not really sure what happened here, but yeah. Let's see. Oh, he sent other ones. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be ending the stream. Hashim, how you doing, bro? So you raise your hand. Is it Hashim? Yellow's World.
Can you hear me, bro?
How you doing, bro?
I'm good. I think after the H1 breakout, there was a H4 support was created. Maybe.
Okay. Let me check it. You mean after this H1 breakout right here?
Yeah.
Let me check. Yeah, maybe that's why. Oh, this open close right here.
Yeah.
Because
so every time, instead of the missed trade, when you get a H1 breakout, you can just use the H4 support which created there.
Yeah, bro. That's actually, I'm gonna give you credit for that. Yeah, you deserve credit for that, bro. Because I think that's the easiest way to actually not miss out on trades. And yeah, credit goes to you, bro. Hashim.
Yeah, bro.
Is it how you pronounce it, or am I just? Oh damn! I'm gonna pin this here. Yeah, I think that's one of the easiest ways, bro. So yeah, thank you for that. And everyone who's here, you can actually just decide to take his word for it. I believe even here yesterday. Let's see. Yesterday, remember we had this move right here, right? We had this setup right here where there was a 1 hour breakout right here. Then 4 hour, we have this area of resistance right here. So you can clearly see. Yeah, I'm giving you credit for that, bro. Then 30 pip stop loss. Just like that. Ever not here, we had a 1 hour breakout. 1 hour breakout. Right there. 1 hour breakout. And then 4 hour. 4 hour open close. And then you buy. Yeah. This one of the simplest ways, bro. Thank you. So let's see. Yeah. Let's see. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm not really sure how long it is, but I'm not sure what time I started, but yeah. I think I'm gonna end the stream here, bro. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed being on this live stream. I'll update you in the group as to what I'm expecting to see or do on gold. We'll just see, man. We'll just see what happens. Eish, this one looks promising a bit, but so I'll just see. I'll update you guys in the group, man. I'll update you guys in the group. Then, yeah. Talk to you guys soon. Yeah. I'm out. I'll post the video in a few minutes. Once I'm done stopping the stream, then I'm gonna do the thumbnail and then post it on YouTube. So the link will be here in around 10-20 minutes after it finishes. It finishes loading. It finishes rendering that other thing. HD what? I'm not really sure what it is, but yeah. Talk to you guys soon. Peace, guys. Love you.